be taking you somewhere. So, as I said that I'll be taking you somewhere to a very special place. So I'm about to get in my car and then let's see where we are going. Surprise! Come. So you can see I'm wearing my belt. Yes, I'm not wearing my mask, but yes, the moment I get out of my car, I'll be putting it on. So I have just got in my car and I'm on my way to a place which is a surprise to all of you. Let's say after 6 months I'm actually driving and I'm going somewhere. So it will take 30 minutes because I drive quite slow. You can see we are following the sun in a way. We are very near to our beach and probably by the time we reach the beach, it will be a proper sunset timing. So perfect. So we have entered proper Daman, the main market area. You can see it is evening time, proper evening time, and being the Sunday market, it's very much crowded and the busiest market. It appears very much regular, being the tourist place in itself. So I'm feeling thrilled and excited. You can see I'm wearing my new spectacles and which I have posted on my social media handle, and it has been really quite appreciated a lot. Now as you see, we are crossing the bridge, the blue and white color fence on the left. Alright, so this is the Daman Ganga river, and the speciality about this is that this river water, I'll show the camera, I'll tilt the camera on the right, probably I can show the lighthouse, probably you can see. So this river water, this enters the sea water, the beach where we are exactly going. So this is the speciality about this place. Okay, so this is the clock tower and we are looking out for the way which connects the beach. And so finally we are at the beach, as you can see. Oh god, so many coconut tree, and this is the sign wherein we understand that we have reached the beach. Wow, I'm so thrilled and happy, and we are hurrying up, we are speeding up so that as soon as even I am dying to just put my foot in that salty, in that cold water. It's really a bliss. Trust me, it's a bliss. You can see so many trees around and it's looking beautiful. This place is awesome. So many people are coming. Tourists come to this place from different places, from far away places. Can you imagine? This is a lockdown period going on. See, so many cars. See, there is even no place to park the car. Oh wow, it looks amazing, as if I am shooting a movie. So this is the beach, Devka beach, which I was talking about, and I am so happy and thrilled. After 5 months we are here and I just can't wait to get inside the water and feel it, and I just want you people to join me. So you just come along with me. Wow, it's awesome. Look at the horizon, the color of the sun. It's so beautiful. The saffron color. I feel like heaven. This is heaven. Woo! So this is heaven. The feeling is amazing, a bliss. This is the beach wherein people come from far away places. And as I said that I wanted the sunset, the proper sunset, and finally I was lucky, yay, to reach on time. Let's just go in the water. There's this beautiful shot in my very first international project wherein myself with my co-actor Angel, we are enjoying and we are playing in that Mediterranean Sea, in the sea water, and we are doing a lot of stuffs as angels. Though that was Mediterranean Sea, and this is no less, this is India's Mediterranean Sea. I will go a little deep, I will go deeper in the water. Wow, look at that. The color of the sun is so good. You can see the color has changed. The nature has completely giving light effects, you can say, and maybe this is special for me. And I have lifted 2 stones from the bed of the sea, and I'm doing certain funny stuffs. I will ask for a wish from the sea goddess or sea god. I don't know. So secret this is. I cannot reveal it here. So 2 wishes I have actually asked, said, so that the goddess of the sea, he or she, they grant me those wishes, and that is for humanity, that I can reveal. Time to go, but I don't want to go out of I don't want to come out of this water, but yes, I have no choice. You can see already the beach is empty. The color is amazing. This is nature's effect. The saffron, as if God or universe is throwing time to go back home, and it was beautiful. Trust me, it was amazing. But as I'm returning back home and it's late evening, it was beautiful time with you all people, and I am going back, but with the promise that I will again come to this place and take you all through my video, and I will show you this beautiful place, this heaven's creation. Bye bye.